Hello and welcome to Twist Fashion. Today we're going to be making a little bat hair clip. So what you will need is some Sinamay, a triangle that measures approximately 40 centimeters by 57 centimeters. That's 22.5 inches by 16 inches. And obviously that side is also 16 inches. Basically it's just a triangle left over from when I've cut on the bias, cut in half and cut in half again, but you know, those are the measurements. So we're going to start by folding the edge in. You will also need a little bit of black fabric for the bat's head. I've just used this little scrap and some little felt circles, and then for his teeth some little triangles. You could also use some googly eyes if you have them, some glue to stick the eyes on. I'm going to make a little pupil with a marker pen. You'll need a needle and thread, and maybe some cotton wool to stuff the head, or any sort of scrap fabric you don't need. So I'm just going to fold the edge, and this would be perfect for Halloween, or you know, if you just generally like wearing bats in your hair. Maybe a dance competition, something like that. So hope you've all been well anyway. And carry on folding the edge. Fold both the edges. Just so there's no raw edges left over. Once we've folded all the edges, we're going to fold it like a fan. So first one edge, fold it back on itself, fold it back down, and so on, and then we're going to iron that just to keep it in place, because even this edge is already trying to undo itself, and so on. It's up to you if you fold right to the edge. I think this has a more effective look when it's just in the middle as bat wings. There we go. So I'm just going to iron that. So now I've ironed the edges into place and the folds. I'm just going to snip off these corners. Maybe sniff up the really sharp point. Don't want to poke anyone in the eye. Like so. And then you can sew through there onto a hairband or hair clip. Now we're going to make the head. So I just got a little square of scrap fabric. Just take the eyes off and teeth. And I've just got a little cotton wool ball. And I'm just going to make that into a little round head. And sew around that. You can cut off the excess. Maybe it's better if you use a longer needle just to get through it. It's a bit tricky. You can wrap it around. I'm just going to tie a knot in that. There we go. This is his head. So I'm just going to cut off the excess. to sew his head on. So try and hide the raw edges underneath. So maybe it's best if you sew the head on first and then you can put it on the hair clip or hairband, whatever you prefer. So get it in the centre of its wings. If you don't have any Sinamay for the wings, you could also use some black card or leather, or even if you don't have black card, some white paper, or you can paint black if you wanted them black. Could do a jazzy bat, make him out of glitter paper, whatever you prefer. I suppose you could even use tulle netting because it's quite stiff. So once you feel he's secure on there, mine could be a bit more central, I think. Oh no, he's not too bad. Right, just fold him around there. Now I'm going to stick on his eyes. There, one there. You could even add little bat ears with black felt, couldn't you? That's one tooth. Teeth are a bit big, but never mind. Another tooth. Yeah. Oh. I'm just going to give him some pupils. There we go. And then I'm going to sew him onto a hair clip. Okay, well, I hope you found this useful and I hope you have a fantastic Halloween. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.